Good morning, class. Today I figured I would talk about something I really like and what I know a lot about. Airplanes. In particular, the C-17 Globemaster III transport aircraft. It's the United States Air Force's newest transport aircraft. And after my speech, I will show you how the C-17 projects the United States Air Force's warfighting capabilities anywhere throughout the world. In order to show you how the C-17 projects this power, it's important for you to understand where it came from and its capabilities. In the early 1970s, the Air Force started looking for a new airplane to replace the C-130 Hercules. However, the two contractors, Boeing and McDonnell Douglas, were never awarded a contract for the new airplane because the Air Force now wanted a bigger transport aircraft, one that would be capable of performing like a C-130 and a C-5 Galaxy combined. So shortly after Operation Desert Storm and Desert Shield, the middle-class transport aircraft, the C-141 Starlifter, started to show signs of overwork. Numerous 141s were developing stress fractures in the wings, so the Air Force started looking for a multi-role transport aircraft to replace the 141. Boeing was awarded this contract and came up with a radical new design that combined the roles of the C-130, the C-141, and the C-5. It would later become the design that the Air Force adopted. The C-17 Globemaster III saw its first maiden flight on September 15, 1991. The Air Force ordered 120 of these aircraft, and the C-17 was put into mass production. In December 1995, the C-17 was headed to the first base of Charleston Air Force Base, South Carolina. Now you know a little bit about the history and development of the C-17. Let's move on to its capabilities. The C-17 has broken 22 oversized payload records since its inception into the United States Air Force fleet. It was also awarded the United States Aviation's most prestigious award, the Collier Trophy. Now the C-17 has a payload of 585,000 pounds. This includes fuel, cargo, passengers, and crew. It can carry a maximum of 134 troops and 1,700 pounds of cargo over 18 pallet positions. Not only can this aircraft carry palletized cargo, it can also carry a wide range of military equipment, such as the M1 Abrams tank, helicopters, armored vehicles, and just about anything else you can actually put on the aircraft and tie down. I've had the pleasure of loading this aircraft numerous times over my career, because that's what I did in the Air Force as an air transportation specialist. Now, not only can the C-17 carry large amounts of cargo, its range and performance are awesome. The C-17 can cruise at 515 miles an hour at 45,000 feet. It can fly a total distance of 2,785 miles without refueling. However, the C-17 was also equipped with air refueling capabilities, which can virtually let it fly as long as it needs, as long as it's being air refueled. Now, what makes the C-17 so unique is its landing and takeoff performance. Fully loaded, a C-17 can take off in a distance of 7,600 feet. And equally as important is that it can land fully loaded in a distance of 3,500 feet. Now, for such a large aircraft, this is a truly amazing feat and equals that of the C-130 Hercules. So the capabilities and performance of the C-17 make it perfect for the Air Force's strategic and tactical mission. Let's look at how the C-17 performs these missions. Strategic airlift can be thought of as peacetime operations. This type of aircraft or airlift involves moving material long distances, such as across the ocean, for resupply of peacetime bases, and it also can be used to move within the theater there, as well as in the United States. Now, tactical airlift can be thought of as a wartime operation. The main purpose of tactical airlift is to get troops in and out quickly and to land in war zones with high precision. So now that you know the capabilities, performance, and the types of roles that the C-17 has, you may be asking yourself, this is great information, but how does it relate to projecting wartime fighting capability? Well, I'll tie it all together for you. The ability to carry mass amounts of cargo and passengers over great distances allows the U.S. to put a fighting force anywhere in the world in a very short amount of time. Setting a war fighting force up in such a short amount of time gives the U.S. the advantage in war and also projects our military might to the nation that we're traveling to. So today, I've covered the C-17's capabilities, performance, and roles. I've also explained how these capabilities project the United States military might, and the C-17 Globemaster III is worthy of the name Globemaster because the aircraft can truly master the globe in very short amounts of time. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation, and the next time you think of America's power, think of the men and women who make rapid mobility possible. Thank you.